What do you see, guys? What do you see, guys? This is rainfall. When it rains in Ghana, this is what you see. You see kids playing in, and you see women, especially women, fetching water. So we have compound houses. These compound houses, we have courtyards in these compound houses where kids play when they want to have fun, or when their brother they want to have fun. They have fun on the courtyard. And then also when it rains, you see kids in the rain playing, having fun and all that. And then also at the same time, you see kids fetching water for their parents, and even the parents themselves will fetch water. So typically, this is what happens when it rains in Ghana. When you are watching this video, if you've never come to Ghana before to have this kind of experience, then you should know that this is what happens when it rains in Ghana. You see them, they are very happy playing in the rain, and this is a very good and very beautiful experience that I'm talking about. So you see our mother here, she's fetching water. They are trying to wash her what she's using to fetch water. And you see the male and female, both of them, they are playing game here. And we call this one Ampé. Yes, we call it Ampé. You see them? Yeah. So let's watch the video.
Children laugh, they take their pills. Stories flow like morning trail. Papa hums a happy song. Rain keeps falling all day long. Love is simple, clean and clear.
Everybody is happy when it rains in Ghana.
Rain is falling, sky so wide.
Yes.
Laughter side by side, fetching water, feeling free. Rainy day in harmony. Rain is falling, dance, my friend. Water
If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and become part of our family. Yeah, subscribe and be part of us so that whenever I release a video, you'll be the first person to watch it. And leave it my pleasure. Thanking all of you being part of this very beautiful community. Yes. This guy, like, he feels so much happy in the rain. And you see this little girl,
Rain is
she
falling,
keeps on
drop
fetching
by
water
drop. Children
from the
run,
other side.
never stop.
Yeah.
Bucket
So,
shine, laughter loud. Joy is flowing through the
they'll be
crowd.
collecting
Rain
water,
is falling, dance, my
and then
friend.
after that,
Water from the
they'll
sky
get
again. Fetching
sending it
water,
to
heart
their
so free.
parents,
Rain is life for you
places,
and me.
or domestic
Mama walking
use.
with her pen. Papa helping hand in hand. Children splashing in the
So
lake.
this is
Smiles
what
are
you see
shining in the
when
rain.
it's not raining.
Barefoot joy, no need to hide. Playing, singing side
Everybody
by
feels
side.
happy,
Water
fetch
runs
water,
down every roof.
and then
Love of home
feels so
is
much.
living proof.
Merry Christmas. Feels so much merry about this.